All right, what's up guys? This is Sean over here at the pit. I'm gonna take you guys through the animal warm-up. It's a ground-based warm-up. There's a lot of animal flow moves. So part of the purpose of the warm-up is to teach you guys some of the movements that will come up in the strength workout. So the very first thing we're gonna start with is a Tabata. Everything we're gonna do is from the ground. So Tabata is 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. We're gonna go through 4 movements, and then we're gonna repeat this cycle twice. Okay, so the very first position that we're gonna start in is beast. So what you wanna do here is you're gonna have your hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips, like you're making yourself a small table.
2,
we're just gonna lift the knees.
Go!
We're gonna hold right here. So knees are hovering 1 inch off the ground. Try to make your arms long. Squeeze your abs, try to get a little core work going on. We're gonna hold this for 20. Make sure your knees are not scooting away from you here. They're right underneath you.
Rest.
Resting. Okay, so the next one we're gonna do beast side kick through. Okay, so from that same position, we're gonna lift.
Go.
Left leg goes through, right hand goes up in the air. You're gonna kick that leg through the side. You're gonna come right back to the beast position. Rotate, you're staying low to the ground. Alternating sides. Kick as long as you can with that leg. Keep the hands underneath the shoulders.
Rest.
Okay, next one is the front kick through. Still staying in that beast position.
Go.
Okay, we want to step wide outside the hand, lift that hand, replace your opposite foot through the middle going forward, step back, alternate sides, reach it long. Make sure you're stepping wide enough outside this hand so you got room to get that leg through.
Rest.
Okay, and the last one, we're gonna go in crab position. So you wanna have your shoulder blades back, fingers pointed behind you, lift your butt up.
Go.
You're gonna lift the hips to the sky as high as you can. Top arm drapes over your head. Look down at that hand. Go to your butt to switch sides. We're just gonna alternate here. Hold for a second at the top. Might get 2 on each.
Rest.
Good, we're gonna go right back through that one more time. Try to get a little sweat going. I'm already breathing hard. And we're holding.
Rest.
Okay, so on the side kick through this round, if you want to make it fancy, you can jump into it, or you can try to levitate. You guys pick what you want to do. I'm just gonna show off. About 20.
Rest.
A couple more here. So we got that beast front kick through. This time, if you want to make it a little bit more explosive, you can sit back.
Go.
So you sit back, jump forward, kick through. Alternating sides. Or if you want, you can stay with that slow paced, regular beast side kick through.
Rest.
Good. All right, last one here in the Tabata. Back to the crab reach.
Go.
Stretch.
And time. Great job.
Good. All right, so next we're gonna move into just a couple activation drills. We're gonna start with plank with reach. So what you wanna do here, we wanna go forearms. We're gonna get our feet a little bit wider than shoulder width. Squeeze your glutes. You're gonna reach long, like trying to shake somebody's hand. Try not to rotate in your hips here, lock everything in. We're gonna do 3 on each side. Okay, so the next one, we're gonna go from the push-up position. You guys are gonna be in that position a lot during this workout. So we wanna go pike with reach. So from the hands, in that good solid push-up base, you're gonna lift your hips up, reach your right hand to your left toes, come back. Alternating sides, always come back to push-up, don't let yourself arch here. We're gonna do 3 touches on each side. Keep those hips up high, stretch the hamstrings out. Okay. We're gonna go world's greatest stretch. So this, you wanna take a big, long lunge. You want your back leg straight. You want this foot flat. You're gonna try to drop the elbow down, rotate, look at that hand up there. And we wanna pull these toes up, try to straighten this leg out, get a hamstring stretch. We're gonna alternate. We're gonna do 3 on each side. Remember, back leg stays long, elbow down, look up over that front shoe, his hammies loose. Okay, and the very last thing we're gonna do, just to give ourselves a little bit of shoulder mobility, we're just going kneeling. We're gonna do quadruped T-spine rotation. So, starting from the knees, dig your toes in, you're gonna sit back. I want you to try to sit back on your heels. Take one hand behind your head, opposite arm stay straight. The goal here, drive the elbow down underneath that straight arm, follow your elbow up to the sky. Okay, so as if you're trying to look underneath your armpit, rotate down, rotate up, bring it in. We're gonna do 3 here, then we'll switch. You may notice a difference. One side to the other, I'm definitely worse going this way. Just means I got some stuff to work on. All right, that's the warm-up.